Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new here, my name is Eve and I post mainly kind of makeup videos, but lately I've been doing quite a few kind of clothing ones. And this one is my Stitchfix. This did get delivered I think on the 27th of April, but I've just been so busy between work and stuff I've not had the chance to pick it up. If you don't know what Stitchfix is, it's you pay £10, you get a personal stylist, and your personal stylist picks out 10 items which you can then choose from. If you don't pick your items, they'll send you a random 5 items, and if you don't like 5 of those 10, they'll kind of make it up with another 2 things that you don't know about. You get, I believe it's 20 or 25% off your total order if you buy everything in the box, and you get your £10 stylist fee back if you buy anything. So it's a good way to try kind of new things that you wouldn't normally wear. On the website you answer loads of questions about your hair colour, your size, your skin tone, any colours that you don't like. You can also pick like what you want to wear, so I've kind of went with kind of casual. You could do work wear. I wear scrubs at work, so that wouldn't be much use to me. And you can do like wee quizzes each day as well, where you kind of say if you like things or not. And you can also leave notes for your personal stylist. So I had asked for this month some kind of more kind of baggy jeans, because I tend to wear skinny jeans. So I'd asked for kind of more baggy jeans, and also like some kind of floral tea dresses. So I have already opened it because I've got a very inquisitive 4-year-old who was desperate to see inside. So you get inside, you get your returns label, which you put in that you want to return on the box, and you stick that on it. Then I noticed this, it says we style men too, so they must do a man's one, I didn't know that. Then you get your wee kind of styling sheet, and you've also got a note from your personal shopper here, which I'm not going to read out to you because there's no point, but a kind of note for your personal shopper, and then this kind of gives you styling ideas, which I think is super cute. And then you get your information telling you what the things cost, telling you your discount. It's 20% if you buy everything, and how much everything is. Now some of the clothes are quite pricey. The total cost for these 5 items is £213, and I'm normally like a Primark shopper, so it is quite a lot. But I will say, between this and I got my first Lucado lately as well, and there are things that I really like that I wouldn't necessarily pick up, so I don't really mind paying a bit extra if it's kind of quality stuff. So let's just start going through them. So the first thing on this list is this jumper, and it is by Movet, and it's a Stella embroidered star sweat jumper in off-white. It's in a size 8, and this is £42. Now I did think maybe it was a bit strange that they were selling, like giving me a jumper in April, but then I live in Scotland, so see like a jumper like this, it's always handy. You could always put like a wee t-shirt underneath. And this is the kind of cream colour, and it's got these wee stars. I think the stars are navy, but they're quite a dark navy, so you could still wear it. I would wear this with kind of leggings and kind of dock, so I think that's quite cute. I do like it. It is quite pricey for a jumper for me, but I don't mind that much. And then we may as well get the jeans, because that's what I'll be trying on with it. And these are the Mavi. Now I had a pair of Mavi jeans from Lucado, or sorry, just get interrupted. So yeah, I have had Mavi jeans from either Lucado or Stitch Fix, or both, I can't really remember. And these are the Cindy High Rise Mum jeans ankle in indigo. These are a size 28 waist, and these are £69. Now £69 is a lot for jeans for me. Like I says, I would normally buy them in Primark, but they do feel like nice, thick, good quality jeans. They have sent me petite as well, which is amazing because I do struggle to get petite jeans. For reference, I'm only 5 foot, I'm about a size 10 to 12 just now. These are organic vegan jeans. They're kind of like ankle length with a cuff at the bottom. So yeah, let's just try them on. I'll be back in a wee second. I always get so scared trying on like colour things when I have like makeup on, but this is a jumper. Like, it's just a kind of basic jumper, nothing like fancy about it, but it is a nice thickness. Like, it's not too thick that you'd be boiling, it's not cold, but so I think I'll probably keep this. These are the jeans. I'll put you down a wee bit. So these are the jeans. There are your kind of just above the ankle. I don't really wear jeans like this normally, but I don't mind the length of them. I would say for a 28 they do fit me perfectly, so I think they probably are quite big weights, because I would reckon I'm probably bigger than a 28 just now. But they're a nice kind of mid-rise, they're kind of tight over the bum, and then they're not like baggy jeans, but they're not skinny jeans. Like the ones they sent me last time were like straight leg, which I hated on me, but these ones are just a wee bit loose, but not too loose. I do really like these. Like I say, the price is maybe putting me off a little bit because they are quite expensive, but for a good quality pair of jeans that'll last, I don't know, maybe it's worth it. So you'll have to let me know what you think about it. Then the next thing I'm going to try on is this. This is the Super Hill Brighton Melinda Wrap midi skirt in green. This is in a size 10 and this is £48. Again, maybe a wee bit pricey for a skirt, but it is really nice, and it is, you can tell it's good quality, and it's just this kind of wrap skirt, and it's got some buttons on the inside that you do, and then you just tie it and kind of wrap it, and it's a kind of midi length. So I will just try that on and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'll just put these down a wee bit again so you can see now. This is a bit big for me, a bit wee for me now. I'm kind of on the higher size, a size 10 just now, kind of small 12, so it is a wee bit big, but I think if I lost a couple of pounds it would be fine. But I don't know about this, I don't know about the length. Like, I don't love midi skirts on me because I am quite petite, but I think like this with some kind of trainers or kind of some strappy sandals in the summer, I do wish maybe it was a bit more straight instead of like being a bit more flared. Now I don't have a full length mirror in the house, so it'll only be when I'm editing this video that I'll see like what I really think about it. But I think this, even with a pair of wee white heels for the kind of summer pub nights, I think it'd be fine. And although it's two wee, it has got these two wee button bits on the inside, which I think that I could just loosen until I can actually fit in it properly. I think maybe this, even with like a wee crop top, would be really cute. I do love the colour and I kind of love the spots. I just don't quite know about the shape. And how much was this? £48, so it's quite a lot of money for me to keep if it's something that I'm not all that sure on. But the more I look at it, it is quite cute. I like the wee kind of sway you can do. I don't know. This dress here, this I think is a Mauvais, again the same brand as that jumper, and I think it is a Petro Scallop Edge mini dress in blue, and it's a size 10. This is £65. Now this is a good quality dress, like it feels so thick, it feels so well made, and it's got this kind of beautiful kind of scallop edge into it, but oh, I don't know, something about it just, it's not my vibe at all. But I will try it on and let you see what this one looks like. This is this one. Now I'm actually, despite being like a size 10 to 12, I would usually get a size 8 in dresses, but this is just, it's well made in that it's got this wee popper here, so I mean you could have it kind of open, show a bit more cleavage if you wanted, but for a bit more modesty you can pin it. Now this I do appreciate, because my nail dresses that are like this, I have to pin them all because they're so low cut. The pattern is really nice, the length is nice, the sleeves are really cute. This scallop and edge round here is lovely. I'm just not sure about this colour on me, and I don't really know how I would wear this. Like with my tea dresses, I would normally wear my kind of wee boots or my docks, but I've got no idea how I would style this, like how I would wear it, like although it's so pretty. I think maybe with some like brown sandals maybe, but I think it's just the colour, it's just kind of thrown me off a wee bit, it's not quite right for me. And then we go on to one last thing. This is green, which makes me happy, and this is a Louche, Louche Kathleen Dash mini dress in green. This is in a size 10 and it is £55. And this one is a bit more up my street. This one you could wear with some white trainers and a wee denim jacket, like, or a wee leather jacket and some boots. I'm going to try this one on because I think this one will be really cute. This is a green one, and this one is definitely way more up my street than the other one. I think it's a lot flattering because it's a lot tighter here You might not even be able to see, but it's got wee buttons here, so I suppose you could like undo a button. I probably would. Or two if you're feeling extra sly. But like I like this one. I like the length of the sleeves, how they're like kind of slightly puffed. I don't know if you can see them. I love the print. It's got pockets. Like, who doesn't love a dress with pockets? I think it's a really nice length. It's got this tie here which you can tie at the front, or you could tie at the back. This one doesn't come off. The other one you could take the belt off and swap it out if you wanted, but this one it is sewn in. But I mean, you could tie it in a wee bow at the back, which is really cute. This one fits me perfectly, and it's got pockets, so come on, it's a good length. I would wear this with my docs, my leather jacket. Yeah, I would definitely wear this with my docs and leather jacket, or even like jeans, not jeans, like a denim jacket and trainers or white sandals. Like, I think this is a really versatile wee dress. I think it's adorable and it's exactly my style. I tend to either be in like docs leggings and like a hoodie, or I seem to be in like a wee tea dress. I do love dresses. I think they're really flattering on. So yeah, you'll need to let me know what you think about this month's box. Like, I definitely think it was better than my first one. I don't think my first one was really that good at all, but I think they do learn from your kind of comments, and like, see when you return things you can say why. You can say that it didn't fit right, or you can say it was not your style. You can say that you want similar. So there is ways that you can communicate with them to show what you kind of like and what you don't like. So let me know which of these items I should keep. I've probably actually decided by the time that I put this video up. If I get it up quick, you can help me decide. Let me know what you think of the Cairo. I will leave a link down below. It's my referral code. It's not an affiliate code or anything. It's just where you get, it's like 10 or 20 pound credit, and so would I if you signed up using that link. You can pick how often to get your boxes. You can do it monthly, you can do it bi-monthly, you can do it quarterly, you can do boxes, and you can also order, I think, one-off boxes. You can set budgets on them, so it's really customisable to what you want as a kind of customer from your Stitchfix box. So yeah, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. And thanks for watching. Bye.